There's just so many. I don't even game. I don't even know. No one will understand that first joke. I don't even game. So I got my half and half iced tea and lemonade. It's pretty swag, you know. Ah, I got my eye. Oh god. Well, lemons hurt. All right, we're good. We're good. So it is so cold here. Oh my god. So yesterday, I say so a lot. Oh well. I went to sleep relatively early yesterday, and then woke up at 2 a.m. Well, okay, so yesterday it was really toasty in my room compared to the rest of the house. It was like boiling hot in my room, which felt awesome because it was so cold everywhere else. And then, so I was out there, blah blah blah. I came in my room, super toasty. I'm like, all right, I just want to go to bed, and I went to bed and woke up at 2:30 a.m. roughly, and it was super cold in here. It was like raining. See if you can. Come on, come on. Nope, it's not gonna work. So yeah, that's the window. She's kind of bright because that was weird. All right, I'll be right back. So it just got really, really freaking laggy. Stupid window. So yeah. Man, it was really cold and I could hear the rain, but it actually wasn't rain anymore. It turned into like little tiny pieces of hail. And it's like April right now. Yeah, almost May. And there's like little ding 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 ding. What's up with that? So then I need to get really, really warm really fast because it was super cold. So I got this blanket, which is on me now, and then I have this blanket that right there, the one with the W's for Wisconsin. My grandma made that for me. That is so toasty. So I had that one, and then this one, but I've got two of those blankets. So I wore all those over me, and it was so toasty. After like 2 minutes, I was awesomely warm. Oh, putt cars of today. So the little cars that ride on the railroad, like little tiny trains, smaller than the size of my room. They're going today. There's like traffic cones and whatnot and such. Pretty nifty. Too bad it's too cold. I don't, I don't know what to talk about. But I'm going to edit this in Premiere Pro, and I'm going to see if the file size is smaller because I'm not happy with iMovie's file size, and I don't want to use Final Cut Pro X because that has gigantic file sizes. And then if I use After Effects, that just takes forever. But if I use Sony Vegas Pro, that works really well, but that's on Windows, so I'd have to like switch, and I don't want to have to switch, so I'm going to try Premiere Pro, see how that goes. I'm pretty sure I know how to use everything in there, but because I've used Premiere Elements at school before. Oh, it's cold. Do I have anything I can burn some alcohol in? Okay, there's still liquid in there. What if that'll melt? Nope. So yeah, try editing that, and I'll see how it goes, and I'll tell ya in the description, because that's how I talk to people sometimes. Yeah, I don't really have much to talk about right now. This is like a really dank paper towel. It's like, I don't know, the texture of it feels really nice. Do you ever have that? You're just like, man, these paper towels these just feel gross. I don't want to have to like clean up my mess with that. Oop. But these, it's just like, is this cloth? What is this? That's how those feel. Those feel really nice. So here's the top of a bottle, and here's a can, and watch this. It's got a piece of gum on there too. I'll pick that up because you guys might be like, oh, gross. You didn't hear that. Alright, watch this. Fits like perfect. And it's like, I forgot there's soda in there. That stuff's old. Actually, it tastes kind of like vanilla. You didn't see anything. Alright, not a good idea right now. I'll have to refine that. But, isn't that cool? Yeah! So, that's that. Man, I have to rearrange this blanket. I'm cold. So freezing. Anything else around here? I got my Skyrim back. Skyrim! Yeah! Let's turn the Xbox on. See, here's the box. Dun, 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 dun. What else? Oh, maybe I'll play some Fallout today instead of Skyrim. Because today it's prom. And this guy, he ain't going. See, there's a lot of problems with that. I'm supposed to look nice. That would take a lot of work. And I mean a lot. I don't have anything to wear. Because I don't have any formal clothes except for this shirt. That's technically formal. But it's not. It's just a button-up. That's all it is. It's a button-up, and it's a medium. And a medium is too big. Which, that's weird. It fits someone else, but not me. So, I need a small, I guess. Oh well. And then I would need dress pants, which is like the third thing, and I don't have those. Those would cost who knows what. Black socks, maybe, because I just kind of want black socks. And dress shoes. I've got shoes that are blue and orange and white and gray that are like skating shoes and like kind of Converse-y shoes. That's not anywhere close to dress clothes or formal at all. Yeah, and plus my hair is really long. I don't know. I would want to wear a hat, and that's not formal probably. And then it costs $20-something to get in. Does it look like I made money? I don't think so. I'd have dollars hanging off, and I'd be like, "You need some help?" It'd be like this. This is an example. It's just like, I just pull it off my body. Here you go, take a 5. I don't need it. Because I'm made of money. That's not me. That ain't me. I'm thirsty. Alright. So yeah, people who go into that, have fun with that, showing yourself off to other people. Whoa. Plus I'd be going alone! Yeah! I need some victory music. Victory music. 1 second. I got this. Maybe. Give me a second. Give me another. What? Just right here. Right here. Just wait. Just it's coming. Maybe. This is a random song I just chose. Alright. That is Filth Collins levels. Oh no. Under fair use, I could use that. Woo! Thirsty. So I will just be a basement dweller and dwell in my upstairs because I don't have a basement that's furnished well. So I'll stay in here, play some Xbox maybe, sleep, eat a little bit, because I like to eat. I'm a good eater. I will eat a lot of food. And I don't turn down free food unless it's a hindrance to someone else. So if you're like, man, I don't want to eat, I'll give you my lunch. I'll give you my dessert. You eat that and you enjoy it. 'Cause I'll eat my food when I can. Alright, one more thing. Is there anything cool in here? I've got, for people who have braces or something, you know how, I think it's braces or a retainer or something, you get wax. So I've got the wax or that, and I need braces, because my teeth are all, like, really gross looking and sharp and pointy and behind each other and whatnot, but, you know, I got the wax. That's all that counts. Yeah. It's like it just got really dark. Can I brighten? No. Alright, so I will find something to do, and I hope everyone else does. So, see you later. Have a good siesta. Nap. Eat. Sleep. Bananas. Actually, that was the title, not that one. Kinda. I need a new title. I'll think of something. You'll see it. Actually, you'll see it before. So yeah, have a good day, and goodbye.